Hello and welcome to this Paperless Senate tutorial. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to create and manage a departmental meeting on the Paperless Senate portal. Let's get started. Start by logging into the Paperless Senate portal with your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Here, click on the New Meeting button. This will take you to a new display screen. On the displayed screen, enter the title of the meeting in the meeting title field, which is Departmental Meeting. Enter the meeting description in the description box, for example, to discuss examination papers. Next, select between the regular or special type of meeting. This selection is based on your meeting type preference. If you have a pre-agenda for the meeting and you would like invited participants to review it prior to the meeting time, you can attach it from your device by clicking on the Attach File button under Pre-Agenda. This step is, however, optional. Next, set the date and time for the meeting. Enter the venue where the meeting will take place. For example, you can enter the HOD's office. Next, select the group of participants who will receive invitation to attend the meeting from the drop-down menu as seen. If you have any reference file to attach, you can attach them by clicking on the Attach File button under Other Attachments. Finally, click on the Create Meeting button to create the meeting with the specified details. The meeting created is shown in the list of upcoming meetings. To edit or start the meeting, select the meeting item from the list and click Edit Meeting or Start Meeting as the case may be. In case of editing a meeting, after making any changes, review the details and click on the Update Meetings button. Congratulations! You now know how to create a departmental meeting. You also now know how to edit and start your meetings using the Paperless Senate portal. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching and enjoy efficient meeting management with Paperless Senate.